Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the English Speaking Show. Today, we will help you talk at Christmas with confidence.
Good morning, Ella. And good morning to all of you. Christmas Eve is tomorrow. Christmas Day is in 2 days.
You will learn real phrases, Christmas greetings, and confident English you can use this week.
But can I tell you something?
What?
Yesterday, my neighbor said, "Merry Christmas." I said, "Thanks." Just thanks. I felt so awkward.
Don't worry. Today, we will show you what to say.
Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Christmas dinner,
Natural English.
confident English,
Tomorrow is Christmas Eve.
then Christmas Day.
Then Christmas dinner.
I am a little worried.
Don't worry. We will practice together. Let's start with Christmas Eve shopping.
So, Christmas Eve morning,
What happens?
I am at the store. Last minute shopping.
What do you need?
A gift for my colleague. I'm looking at candles.
And then?
A store worker walks over. She smiles. She says, "Merry Christmas. Are you finding everything?"
What do you say?
I panic. I say, "Yes, okay." That is it.
Oh no.
She looks confused. She walks away. But I still need help.
Why do you not ask?
I do not know how to ask. I should say more, but I do not know what.
I understand. Let me show you. Christmas Eve morning, I am also shopping.
What do you need?
I am looking for a gift. Something for my sister.
And then?
A store worker walks over. She says, "Merry Christmas. Can I help you?"
What do you say?
I smile. I say, "Merry Christmas. Yes, I am looking for a gift. Something for my sister."
You give details.
Exactly. She asks, "What is she like?" I say, "She loves candles and books."
More details.
Yes. The worker shows me options. She is very helpful. I choose a beautiful candle. I say, "Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful Christmas." She says, "You too."
You said have a wonderful Christmas.
Yes. Warm and friendly.
I need to practice that.
Don't worry, you will.
Later that afternoon,
What happens?
I am coming home from the store. I have my shopping bags.
And then?
I walk into my building. My neighbor is in the hallway, Mrs. Chin.
Does she see you?
Yes. She smiles. She says, "Oh, hi, Jake. Merry Christmas."
What do you say?
I say, "Merry Christmas."
Good.
Yes, I said it right this time.
And then?
But then she asks, "Are you ready for Christmas?"
What do you say?
I say, yes. Silence.
Oh,
She is waiting for me to say more. But I do not know what to say.
what happens next?
She says, "Okay, well, enjoy your Christmas." She walks to her apartment. I feel awkward again. I should ask her something. But what?
Small talk, Jake. You need to ask questions too. Christmas Eve afternoon, I also meet my neighbor,
Who?
Mr. Park.
What happens?
He is carrying groceries. He says, "Hi, Ella. Merry Christmas.
What do you say?
Are you ready for Christmas?"
You ask a question.
Yes. He laughs. He says, "Almost. I am cooking dinner tonight."
And then?
I say, "Oh, that is wonderful. What are you making?"
Another question.
Exactly. He says, "Turkey and mashed potatoes." I say, "That sounds delicious. Will your family come over?"
More questions.
He says, "Yes, my daughter and her kids." I say, "How nice. Enjoy your Christmas." He says, "You too, Ella."
You ask so many questions.
Questions create conversations, Jake. Let's practice Christmas Eve small talk.
Use these with neighbors or friends.
Are you ready for Christmas?
Or, do you have plans?
What are you doing for Christmas?
Or, are you cooking?
and ask about family.
Will you see family?
Perfect.
Christmas Day morning, December 25th.
How do you feel?
A little nervous.
What happens?
I am at home. I call my mom on video.
Does she answer?
Yes, she answers. She is smiling.
What do you say?
I say, "Hi, Mom. Merry Christmas."
Good.
She says, "Merry Christmas, sweetheart. How are you?"
And then?
I say, "Good." Silence.
Oh no.
She is looking at me, waiting.
What does she ask?
She asks, "What are you doing today?"
What do you say?
I say, "Nothing much." More silence.
Oh, Jake.
My mom says, "Oh, okay." I do not know what else to say. The conversation feels stuck.
What happens next?
She says, "Well, enjoy your day." We say goodbye. The call was only 2 minutes. I feel bad.
You need to share details, Jake, and ask questions. Christmas Day morning, I also call my family.
Who do you call?
Video call with my sister Sophie.
What happens?
She answers. She is smiling.
What do you say?
I say, "Hi, Sophie. Merry Christmas. Are you excited?"
You ask a question right away.
Yes. She says, "Yes, the kids opened presents at 6 this morning."
6 in the morning?
I laugh. I say, 6? Wow. What did they get?
Another question.
She is excited to tell me. She starts showing me toys.
What toys?
Building blocks, a doll, some books.
You are having a real conversation.
Yes, because I ask questions and I show interest.
Quick question for everyone watching.
Are you celebrating Christmas tomorrow?
Comment A if yes,
Comment B if you are celebrating something else.
or C if you are just relaxing.
We want to know.
And if this lesson is helping you, please hit the like and subscribe button.
So my sister shows me the toys.
And then,
I say, "They must be so happy. What are you doing today?"
you ask about her plans.
Yes. She says, "We are cooking dinner, turkey and ham."
What do you say?
I say, "That sounds delicious. Can I see the kids?"
You want to see them.
Yes. The kids come on camera. They are so excited. They show me their presents.
They show you.
I say, "Wow, what wonderful gifts." We talk for 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
Yes. About family, food, Christmas plans.
Natural conversation.
Then I say, "Enjoy your Christmas. Give everyone my love." We say goodbye.
You shared details. You asked questions.
That is the key, Jake. So, how did that call sound to you, Jake?
It sounded very natural.
What did you notice?
You didn't say much, but it felt friendly.
Yes,
You shared one small thing, then you asked a question.
that's right.
No long stories, no hard words.
Exactly.
It didn't sound special. It sounded normal.
That's why it works.
Okay, I can do that too. Christmas Day evening, 6 o'clock.
Dinner time.
My friend David invited me to Christmas dinner at his house.
Nice.
I bring a gift, a bottle of wine.
Good.
I arrive, I ring the doorbell. David opens the door. He's smiling. He says, "Jake, Merry Christmas, come in."
That sounds good.
I walk in, I hand him the wine. I say, "Here, just here."
Hmm.
He says, "Oh, thanks."
But it feels cold, not warm.
Then David's wife comes. She smiles. She says, "Welcome, Jake." I say, "Hi." That's it. I feel awkward. Everyone is looking at me.
Gift giving needs warmth, Jake. Christmas evening, I go to my friend Maria's house for Christmas dinner. I bring a gift. Homemade cookies.
Wow.
I ring the doorbell. Maria opens the door. I smile. She says, Ella, Merry Christmas! I say, Merry Christmas, Maria. Thank you so much for inviting me.
That sounds warm.
I give her the cookies. I say, I made these for you. I hope you like them. She opens the box. She says, Oh my goodness, they look beautiful. I say, It's my grandmother's recipe. She hugs me. She says, You're so sweet. Come in.
You said so much more than here.
Yes, just a little more. Warmth matters.
That feels so lovely. So, at David's house, we sit at the table.
With everyone?
Yes, David, his wife, friends. The food is on the table. David's wife made turkey, potatoes, vegetables. It looks really good.
Nice.
Someone smiles at me. They ask, How is the food? I taste the food. It's delicious. But I say, Good. Just good.
Very short.
Everyone keeps talking about food, about the day. I eat. I listen. I want to say more, but nothing comes out of my mouth.
That moment is very common. At the table, I do something simple.
What do you do?
I look at the food. I smile. I say, Wow, this looks amazing.
That's easy.
Then I take a bite. I say, It's delicious.
Just one sentence.
Yes, one sentence is enough. I look at the host. I ask, How did you cook it?
That starts the talk.
Exactly. Maria explains. We talk about cooking, Christmas memories, family traditions.
You complimented. You asked questions.
That's how it works. Let's practice Christmas dinner phrases.
So useful.
At arriving, you can say, Thank you for inviting me.
While giving a gift, I brought this for you. I hope you like it.
When complimenting food, say, This looks amazing, or This is delicious.
When leaving, thanks the host. Thank you for a wonderful evening.
Jake, something important.
Yes?
Christmas isn't about perfect English. It's about warmth, exchanging replies, giving compliments.
So mistakes are okay?
Yes, people feel your kindness. And not everyone celebrates Christmas.
Right.
So if you're not sure, say Happy Holidays.
Good to know.
Being kind matters most. Okay, Jake, you know the phrases now. Let's practice together.
I'm ready.
Merry Christmas. Can I help you?
Merry Christmas! Yes, I'm looking for a gift for my sister.
Perfect. Now I'm your neighbor. Hi, Jake. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mrs. Chen. Are you ready for Christmas? Do you have plans?
Beautiful. Now I'm your mom on the phone. Hi, sweetheart. Merry Christmas.
Hi, Mom. Merry Christmas. I'm so glad to see you. What are you doing today?
Wonderful. Now I'm your friend David. Jake, welcome. Come in.
Thank you for inviting me. I brought this for you. I hope you like it.
Perfect. Now taste my food.
This is delicious. How did you cook it?
See? You sound natural. So confident.
I do. I feel confident.
Now it's time to practice pronunciation. 5 Christmas words everyone should speak perfectly. Viewers, please practice with us. First word, Christmas. Christmas.
Christmas. Christmas.
Second word, celebrate. Celebrate.
Celebrate. Celebrate.
Third word, delicious. Delish us.
Delicious. Delish us.
Fourth word, wonderful. Wonderful.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Last word, Gathering. Ga-er-ing.
Gathering. Gath-er-ing.
Perfect. So, everyone, today we showed you Christmas conversations.
Christmas Eve shopping and neighbors. Christmas Day calls. Christmas dinner.
And we learned something important.
Christmas is about warmth, not perfect grammar.
Your kindness matters most.
And I can speak confidently. One small challenge for you.
Comment one thing you're doing for Christmas.
Just one sentence.
I'm visiting family. Or I'm cooking dinner.
One sentence in English.
We read every comment. If this helped you, please hit the like button.
And subscribe to our channel. We post new lessons every week.
Share this with a friend learning English.
Remember, everyone,
You don't need perfect English for Christmas.
just speak from your heart.
Be warm, be kind.
That's what Christmas is about.
Merry Christmas, everyone!
Have a wonderful Christmas.
Enjoy your time with family and friends.
Thank you for watching.
Merry Christmas! Goodbye!
Merry Christmas. Goodbye.